I'm howling in my sleep, smiling in my dreams. I will miss you, child. I've been waiting on the phone.
Bye, guys.
Alone. When the phone rings, it's just a friend of mine. He says, "Hey, what's the matter, man? Gonna come around here with a couple of Asian girls that just died to meet you. You're gonna meet a gay, so what? Yeah, you know, we're gonna fool around like we used to." Singing at the dogs, people think I'm crazy. Nothing on my feet, struggling to the street, asking people, what's the matter with you, boy? Sometimes I wanna say to myself, this is going to wrap us up tonight. Yeah, it's been a great afternoon. Thank you, everybody.
All right. All right.